Hi everyone, today's word of the day has been suggested by David. It is cheesy. Cheesy is an informal adjective with several different meanings. It can be used in cooking to describe the taste and smell of, well, cheese. But it can also be used to say that something else smells like cheese, like cheesy feet, meaning smelly feet. It can also be used in relation to smiling. If someone has a wide smile, but which might not be genuine. For example, my son had a habit of giving me a cheesy grin when I asked him to be quiet, which I didn't like. It can relate to something which isn't particularly fashionable or of low quality, or perhaps too embarrassingly romantic. For example, I like many different genres of music, but really can't stand cheesy love songs. Just awful. When we look back at science fiction shows on TV from the 1970s, the special effects look so cheesy and unconvincing. For the most part, the word cheesy dates from the 19th century.